On December 10, 2021, the deadliest December tornado would hit the cities of Mayfield and other communities. This is the story of the violent Mayfield tornado. Now, 2021 was a pretty active year for tornadoes. However, there were three notable tornadoes that were deadliest: the Newton, Georgia EF4, the Jasboro tornado, the infamous Mayfield tornado, and the Bowling Green tornado. The tornado touched down near Woodman Mills, Tennessee. However, it was moving fast and strengthening fast. The tornado was heading towards the city of Mayfield, Kentucky.
10:15.
Here is some news
Graves
coverage
County,
of the tornado.
Mayfield, expect catastrophic damage and 2.5-inch size hail. The debris ball is now coming into Mayfield. Send some prayers to Mayfield right now.
After the tornado emergency was issued, the tornado would make a direct hit on the city of Mayfield, Kentucky. Sadly, 22 would perish in the tornado. This high school was recording the tornado as it struck, and this is one of the scariest footages I've ever seen. After the tornado exited Mayfield, the tornado was about to hit the center of Benton, but it spared it. But it hit the community of Camber Shores, which a lot of people died there. Very tragic. After the tornado exited Camber Shores, the tornado was about to make a direct hit on yet another town. This one was Princeton. When it hit the tornado direct, and the town was hit by the tornado directly. 10 people died there. 3 or 4. This house in Dawson Springs, which is the next town about to be hit by the tornado. This family was sheltering in the bathroom, and the house was hit by the tornado while it was recording. Prepare your ears. But the whole family survived with only minor injuries. After the tornado left Dawson Springs, it traveled for a while until it entered Bremen, Kentucky. Here is the first famous video of the tornado. Here it is! Oh my god, this just scared the crap out of me. After the video was shot, the tornado entered Bremen, which by far did its worst damage. The tornado had estimated winds of 190 miles per hour. The tornado hit Bremen, and sadly 11 people were killed. But after it left Bremen, it finally dissipated after being on the ground for 165 miles, making this one of the longest track tornadoes in history. After the sun rose on the 11th, the tornado left a trail of destruction. It got a EF4 rating, which had a lot of controversy, and sadly 58 people would die, making this the deadliest tornado in Kentucky and the deadliest in December. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Happy Christmas!